Hi everyone, it's Mr. Hurton here. I'm back with the second instalment of making the box. Hopefully we're back in school as soon as possible and actually start making the box out of proper bits of wood and use proper tools. But for now we just need to do the thinking and the preparation so we are ready to go. First of all, the first lesson I gave you was talking about the process and how we mark out to start with, we modify using a saw or a drill, we join using a finger joint, and then the final finish, to finish off the box, you might want to varnish it, polish it, wax it, do really what you want with it. It'll be up to you. Now today I want to talk about the main difficult part of the whole project, and it's the hinge. Now you're going to basically make a top and bottom of the box. There'll be laser ply. You can laser cut your own design on the top and make it look good, nice and personal. Then we'll use a bandsaw, my big bandsaw in the workshop, to cut out a lid. So you'll cut at 3 centimeters off the top to make a lid, and then you'll have to install a hinge. Now a hinge will obviously make it open and close. Quite difficult to do, very difficult to do well, but there's a great little film I found on YouTube. Unfortunately I can't do it myself. I just don't have the equipment here at home to show you myself, so we're going to have to use another film off YouTube for now. But it's a really good film of how to actually mark out a hinge, how to use a chisel, a really sharp chisel, just to take off the top edge of the wood so the hinge sits nicely in a recess. Drill a pilot hole using a drill so a screw can be installed. You obviously do that for the top and bottom of the lid, so it should close very tightly and very well. If it doesn't close properly, then you need to make adjustments. Well, we can talk about that later. But there's a Word file. What I want you to do is watch the film, pause it, and write some notes. So first of all, what does he do to mark out? How does he mark out? Does he use a ruler? Does he use an actual measuring device? What does he use? To actually modify, he uses lots of different equipment. The main thing is a mallet and a chisel to take out a little part of that, and then he obviously uses screws to join it together. So go through the film, take some notes, and you're ready for the practical work. As I keep saying, any problems, just message me straight away, and I'm here to help you as much as I can. But unfortunately, being a practical subject, it's not ideal. But as soon as we get back to school, we are going straight ahead into practical. So the more work you can do, the more thinking you can do now, the better. And you should be really ready to go when we get back to school. Okay, I'll see you soon. Thanks very much. Bye-bye.